Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. Today's video, let me show you our curly wigs. In previous video, I have showed you some of the curly wigs, which is closure wig, and this is the curly wig of this frontal wig. This is 13x4 Remy hair customized density curly hair wig. Please look at how full and how thick this wig is here. And let's see the front, and this is inside. Look how beautiful the curly is. And let's see inside. This is a belt, and this is the belt, and this is the band, and with all the combs 13x4 inside. And let's see the how thick this hair is. Many people want very thick curly hairs, and the 180 density is not enough for them. And please, you can take this type of our curly wigs. We can customize this density for you. And have a look at this hair. This wig is very greatly constructed, and there isn't no shedding or tangling problem you will not face. It will be pretty well looking when you wear it. If you want this type of high density curly wigs, and you want to customize your own wig, your own style, make sure contact us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.